Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is New Year's Eve and holy moly it is hot. It's like 34 degrees. Can you see how big my hair's got? Humidity has attacked my hair today. I am heading to Redcliffe Place for my usual Saturday activism. I've got a good feeling about today. I think it's going to go well. I've got a good feeling. I'm being optimistic today. Quite a few people said they're going to show up, so hopefully this AV demonstration will be good. I'm actually running late to my own event, which is not good. And yeah, I'll probably film a little bit when I'm there, and I'll take you guys along with me for the day, as always. So I'm here with Chantel again, and we're on our way down to Walkabout Creek to go swimming once again. It's a bit dark this time. I just realised I haven't vlogged basically at all today, so you know, basically a good way to start the day. Here it is. Oh my god, I think I'm being bitten already.
Yeah, bug just flew in my face.
Yeah, I'm being attacked by the bugs the second we get out here. We're going to attempt to potentially do a little bit of skinny dipping. It might have to be a bit sly. I don't know how much footage I'll be able to get of us all being out here, because as you can see, it's very dark already. But we should have a little fun night ahead of us. Yeah. Just having a chilled New Year's. And yeah. Tomorrow's taken another turn, which is very cool. We're going to go to a little animal farm. It'll be a fun little vlog, because I thought tomorrow was going to be boring. And,
So stay tuned for tomorrow.
Stay tuned. Are you ready to go swimming? You can see the star through this and everything. So beautiful.
Oh yeah, there's like one, or is that a plane?
Nah,
It's a star.
I think it's a star because it hasn't moved. Wow, you can't kind of see them, but...
Alright, we're gonna go along there actually.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so keep filming, Mike.
Vlogged since yesterday, and we're just gonna mix the two vlogs in together. And I'm with Chantel, and Chantel's house sitting for her friend, and look at the dog that she's looking after. This is Siggy. And you were so cute. Yes, you were. Yeah. Look how cute she is. That's my hair. Aren't you adorable? This dog has brought me so much happiness within the past like 12 hours. I'm obsessed with her. So obsessed. And then today, anyway, we are going to an animal farm. A friend of ours, Natalie, has a little farm with loads of animals that she looks after and rescues and all of that. So we're taking a very long drive today to go and visit these gorgeous animals. We're running slightly late, which seems to be nothing new with me, to be fair. But yeah, take your lies along with me. Should be lots of fun. Super excited. Chantel, are you excited? Yes! Woo! Let's go! It's not passionate.